and welcome to a new series that I'm going to start doing. So, in addition to doing car work and stuff that I like, another thing that I'm really into is I'm really one of those superhero nerds who likes to do the research and just enjoy the movies for what they are. But with this YouTube channel, what I want it to be is I don't want it just to be another car YouTube channel. I want it to be something that I'm going to enjoy and something that I'm going to like putting out the videos for, and honestly, it's just when I have projects, I want to put them up here. So another thing I'm going to start doing now is something I'm going to call Superhero Sundays, which is ironic because this is going to come out on like a Tuesday, but it's the first video, so what matter. Anyway, here's the plan that we're going to be doing. So on this channel, or this is the same channel, but in this segment, we're going to be building Iron Man or any superhero suit. So Iron Man is my favorite superhero, so I enjoy building a suit. So what we're going to do is be going through a journey of building those. So I've already started filming a few episodes, but let me give you a little walkthrough of what I've done in my past before I started doing cars. So back around sophomore year is when I really started getting into building Iron Man suits, and I built a bunch. So I started with suits like this helmet. I got the War Machine, Captain America, Ultron, another Captain America, a lot of unfinished projects. And on the ground over here we have a full Iron Man suit in different pieces. Got Thor's hammer with engravings, cap shield, just a bunch of random stuff that I've done. And this is what I'm currently working on, is another Iron Man suit, and this is the one that I'll be filming for the most part. There's another Iron Man chest piece down there. But the plan for this is that what I want to do is I want to make a full Iron Man suit that puts itself on. So the stages that we're going to be going through that are, we're going to be building the suit like we're doing right here. So getting this part done first. And then after we do the whole thing in cardboard, what we're going to go through is we're going to go back through and we are going to reinforce everything. So cardboard is really easy to work with. It's great for doing shapes, plus it's abundant, so I don't have to pay to get the materials. All I need to pay for is the hot glue gun and then paint and such, because this is just extra. It's extra eggnog boxes, cartons that come to carry groceries. So, and you can use slits and stuff to make the helmet. Anyway, so the pattern's already out there. I'll put links in the descriptions down below when I do the patterns. And I'll probably even make a shareable Google Drive or something with the patterns that I already have pre-existing, so you could just print those off and just make the pattern for yourself. But anyway, it'll be going with that. So we're gonna make the whole suit in cardboard. Then we're gonna go back through, and I want to reinforce the back side of it with some fiberglass resin or something of the sorts, just to make sure that it's strong and doesn't come apart and keeps its shape. And then we're going to go through the outside and smooth it all up and make it look nice and good and paint it. And then we'll have a full looking Iron Man suit. And then we're going to go to cutting things apart and going to make the suit that puts itself on. So that's the end term goal. I do have some ideas up here that I'll pull up for you really quickly on how we're going to do that, and I'll go ahead and just share this now in the opening video. So here are a few of the designs that I have. It's kind of hard to see because I wrote them all in pencil, but this is just for the chest piece. So the abs I'm going to have, I need to make sure that they flex, which I'm going to be able to do by making them rigid and then having the mounting points be further up. I'll do a different episode on that. But the goal is to have kind of a whole rectangle type, almost a doorway that you'll walk into, and then the suit will put itself on. I couldn't find the drawings for the legs, but the plan is to have this middle part will be hinged, so right here there'll be a hinge, so this part can fold up and the back part can fold up as well. And then that'll be open like right here, and it'll come down from the top and set over, and then the head should pivot over, and this arm should allow it to get on the back, and if this is my head, go like this and then push straight down and have it fold over, which is the easiest way that I found to put on the helmets. It's what I do anyway without. Then for the arms, it'll just be stick your hand through, and then things will essentially clamp close. I'm not trying to do anything over the top, because if I do that, it kind of makes it more complicated than it needs to be. And so we're going to start simple, and then if we want to do something crazier, we can refine and do that. But that's kind of where we're starting from that point right there, which is, I'm actually pretty excited about this. So over the winter, we should be doing a lot of these videos, because with the cool weather, the plan is I'm going to be grinding hard on the 1JZ swap over the 4 weeks that I have off school to try to get that done. And kind of going through some rough patches with that if you have been following the Instagram, keeping up with that. But I'm really just going to try to grind and get it done, because it's been a frustrating process, but I really should finish it. But anyway, so this will be coming because cool nights sitting inside in a warm room with a cup of coffee watching YouTube videos and messing with Iron Man suits is a pretty stinking good time. I'm not going to lie about that. In addition to this, I wanted to add something So in order to keep a little variety, my brother, so I live at home with my parents right now, so we have our family here because I'm going to community college just to save some money. I'm saving a few $1,000s a year, so hey, I'll take the win. Plus, home cooked meals and clean laundry for free. Woo, that's a good deal. But anyway, so my brother is going, or he does the same sort of stuff as me. He hasn't been doing it as long, but he also enjoys building these things. But he's not necessarily like just a DC fan, but he really likes Batman. So he's going to be building a Batman suit that he can wear out of kind of just doing the same idea of what I'm doing, but for a different superhero. So I've asked him to film some of that, and so hopefully he will be able to film, and you'll get random videos of him being thrown into this as well. Just something to kind of keep the content a little spiced up. But that's pretty much it for what I have. Another thing is that these videos will probably be coming out much later than when I actually do them. So if things seem a little off timeline wise, that's why. Just because I work on them a lot of the nights, just because it's easy to do, and especially over winter. Now's the time to crunch, and if they're only coming out once a week and I'm doing probably like 5 days a week building, which will be 5 different episodes each, it's gonna be spread out. So yeah, so it should probably be a little late, but it's not gonna matter to you guys because it'll be what it is. As for lengthwise, these are probably gonna be shorter videos because it'll be a lot of time lapse. It'll look kind of like this. Yeah, so that's kind of the general idea of it. There's just a lot of time lapse in between, kind of do that. I'll do some talking with it, seeing me put on the suit, stuff like that. So anyway, that's really about it. I'm kind of talking a lot. I don't know if you guys actually want to see some things being built. I am more than happy to do, I don't think I could do a full suit right away, but if you guys want to see like a mask in between, like, I don't know, like I do a Captain America War Machine or anything type of mask. If you have a suggestion, drop it below, and I may get around to doing it, so kind of switch it up for an episode. We'll see what happens. So this is kind of a new process for me filming wise, so I'm not entirely sure how this will go, but just want to do something else, switch it up. So anyway, that's really about it. I'm gonna shut up here. This is probably a shorter video, but you know what, just kind of a lot of talking and explaining. So don't forget to do the usual, just like and subscribe, leave a hit and comment, guys. Bye.